Hi Anuj, welcome to our IoT story. Today we are going to understand the color coding system of resistance. It is very easy if you can remember the color code and its positional value. So here I have included color coding chart for you. So here for the black color, its positional value is 0. For brown, it is 1. For red, it is 2. For orange, it is 3. For yellow, it is 4. For green, it is 5. For blue, it is 6. For violet, it is 7. For grey, it is 8. And for white, it is 9. It is very easy to remember this by using uh, following formula. BB Roy Great Britain has a very good vibe. So I have also included tolerance color coding for you. So here for the brown color, its tolerance value is 1%. For red, it is 2%. Green, it is 0.5%. For blue, it is 0.25%. For violet, it is 0.1%. For gold, it is 5%. For silver, it is 10%. And for if there is no color, then it is 20%. So example calculation. I have given one example for a calculation here. In this example, you can see a resistance with four color band. Yellow at first position, violet at second position, brown at third position, and gold at fourth position. So in this calculation, first two color will be the digits, second will be the multiplier, and fourth will be the tolerance. And looking at the chart, it is 4, then 7, and multiply it by third value, that is 10. Hence distance we calculate is 47 into 10 is equal to 470, and the tolerance plus minus 5%. In this way, you can calculate the resistance value looking at its color code. Now we know the resistance, but next thing is resistance comes in different number of bands marked on resistors. Value and formula mentioned in the tutorial will be the same, but we still have to learn how to apply it for different bands. Bands on resistor. You can categorize resistor on the basis of band. Marked on resistor like 3 band, 4 band, 5 band, and 6 band. 3 band resistance. It will have only 3 bands. First 2 bands will be the value of color code. Third will be the multiplier color, and as tolerance band is not present, so it will be always 20% tolerance resistance. Now for 4, 5, 6, I will recommend you to go to the below side and you can do your experiment live over there. 4 band resistance. So you can see now that I am on that web link to calculate my resistance value. So it gives you the option to select colors and then it calculates it for you. Choose first color band here. I am choosing brown each for simple calculation and to see the difference in value for all band. Then choose second color band. I am choosing it brown again. Then choose third color band and it is again brown. Then choose fourth color band again as brown. So you will see here the value calculated is as 110 ohm with 1% tolerance. 5 band resistance. Choose all colors as previous one by one. I am choosing first color as brown, second as brown, third, fourth and fifth also as brown. And you can see that the value is 1.11 kilo ohm with 1% tolerance. Now the if you will observe the difference is in 5 color band. First 3 band represent the value and the fourth band will be the multiplier. Fifth band will represent the tolerance. Now moving towards the 6 band resistance. Select all 6 colors as brown. Now see on the screen its value and calculation is same as the 5 band resistor. Only difference is the ppm. So what is the ppm? Specifying the tolerance is through the parts per million specification. This is a specification which states how many parts a component may vary per million units. So when dealing with resistance, it shows how many ohms of resistance a resistor may vary per million ohms of resistance. That means 100 ppm mean hertz. So let's consider a 1 mega ohm resistance here. So color I am going to select are brown, black, black, yellow, brown and brown. So resistance of this will vary 100 ohm per degree centigrade. Increase in temperature after 25 degrees. So at that time its resistance will be 1 mega ohm minus 100 ohm. Now take one more example to clarify on 15 mega ohm. So color I am going to select are brown, green, black, green, brown and brown. So now to calculate change in value, it's 100 ppm change. That means 100 ohm per million. But our resistance is 15 mega ohm. So change here will be 100 into 15. That means 1500 ohm for per degree temperature change. Thank you, Anodes. If you have any queries, you can ask in the comment section. I am providing you a link for the document related to this video. Stay tuned for my next video. Thanks and notes. See you later.